This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 21st, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 1.05 points or 0.26% to 402.54. Total trade volume was up with 60,170 shares changing hands at a total value of 305.9 million real or approximately $75,900. On the main board, two stocks were up. Leading the market was the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, up 0.64% or 40 real to 6,320 real per share, followed by the Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, which was up 0.35% or 40 real to 11,400 real per share. On the other hand, four stocks were down. The biggest loser of the day was Pestec Cambodia, down 2.07% or 50 real to 2,370 real per share, followed by MJQ Education, which was down 0.49% or 10 real to 2,040 real per share. The other two stocks down were Cam GSM and Acleda Bank. Meanwhile, the rest of the main board, including Grand Twins International, Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, and Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, remained flat. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering was down 0.98% or 20 real to 2,020 real per share, while JS Land stayed flat at 3,470 real per share. Acleda Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 18,470 shares changing hands at a total value of 128.8 million real, or around $32,000, making up roughly 25% of total shares traded on November 21st. Grand Twins International recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 17,633 shares changing hands at a total value of 92.9 million real or over $13,600, accounting for around 24% of Thursday's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD strengthened to 4,026 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly up to 106.73. Looking at global commodities, oil prices climbed on Thursday as geopolitical concerns over escalating tensions between Russia and Ukraine outweighed the impact of a bigger than expected increase in U.S. crude inventories. Brent crude futures rose 60 cents or 0.82% to $72.81 US. Gold prices rose for a fourth straight session driven by safe haven demand amid escalating tensions between Ukraine and Russia, while investors awaited remarks from U.S. Federal Reserve policymakers for clues on the interest rate outlook. Spot gold was up 0.5% to $2,663.47 US per ounce, while U.S. gold futures rose 0.6% to $2,666.20 US. Futures tied to the Nasdaq 100 slid Thursday morning as investors parsed the all-important earnings release from artificial intelligence darling NVIDIA. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Nasdaq 100 futures slipped 0.57%, while S&P 500 futures lost nearly 0.4%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures lost 77 points or 0.18%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 21st.